Let's go. Good morning, David. Nixon, what's up? Gold sell, 15 minutes now. Ah, man. Good morning, everybody. Hello from Paris. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning from Paris. Oh, man, dude. Gold sell in 15 minutes. OTE. Is it a higher time frame OTE? I don't see a gold sell here. What's up, bro? What's up, Farouk for Red? Yeah. What up, what up, what up? Hello from the Philippines. Hello there. How are you? Let's take a look at some news and see what we're working with today. What up, Hunt for Pips? What up, what up, what up? Azar, what up, Louis? Good morning, Hotshot Gang. Good morning, y'all. My goodness, there was some crazy news going on in the middle of the night. At 9:45 a.m. we got USD news, so we'll make sure we're not in the markets for that. We'll make sure that we're out of the markets at 9:45. If we see a setup after 9:45, we'll take it, but we'll see what's up. Good morning, peeps. Good morning, Peter. 15-minute order block. SH now and OTE. What ticker should I look for? Euro USD futures. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so very tired. So I look at the euro future. It's 6E1 exclamation point, and then the dollar is USDX. But he said on gold there's a 15-minute order block. Yeah? I mean, maybe we could frame it like this. But honestly, I'm looking at bulls for gold right now because of how it turned around. But I'm looking at the 5-minute, of course, so it's totally, a different view. Hello, Hotshot. What up, Solomon? Hey, yo, what's up, Boris? Hey, you guys, look at yesterday, Connor's move. If Connor put his stops to break even, like right here, he never got stopped out at break even, but he did hit his challenge, which is the black one. Boom. So hopefully Connor's in here. Congrats, Connor. Hopefully you were able to accomplish that. Am I going to start a community? I'm thinking about it, yeah. Probably gonna do it. I was thinking about also, because I spoke recently about like start vlogging, like start making like a little bit more of a personal type of channel to kind of show my everyday life, you know, trading, gym, studying, real estate, studying credit, and like just my meals, everything that I eat in the day, just kind of show you the life of Hotshot, Post some vlogs, kind of do it up like that. I was thinking about doing that, maybe throw up some videos on here on YouTube and turn it of course continue to do live streams, but doing more than just trading here on this YouTube channel. Maybe we'll do like the life of Hotshot or something. Who knows? I'm definitely deciding on that. Hotshot, do you need daily bias for OTE? It's not needed. It's useful, but I don't think it's needed at all. I'm bullish on gold, already printed inverted head and shoulder in 15 minutes. Nice, nice. Hello, Hotshot. What up, Ichita? What up? Hey, man, what up, Josh? Good morning. GJ, OTE, turtle soup with FBG. I'm taking it, bro. Let me know what you think on GJ. you framed it from like here, or even this one, if you framed it from one of these highs down to this low, you could take it totally. Think about it is, it's a huge distance from here down to the next draw on liquidity. It's a huge distance that price has to move, and that, like, it's kind of scary for me. It's kind of scary. I don't like really large ranges personally, because it's just too far to move. But it's not, if you're framing it like that, it doesn't look bad. You got that ICT laugh, bro. That's funny. Nice. Very, very nice. Oh, GU. Markets low-key look ugly this morning, huh? They look kind of ugly. For buys at the 5:30 candle on GJ. What, hot shot back again? I crushed you in London for the sale. Nice, nice. I'm glad you crushed that. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yo, we back again. J Rose coming back. How you know about J Rose? That is so funny. Alright, we got the markets opening up in 5 minutes. We'll see what goes down in 5 minutes. Let's see what goes down in 5 minutes. They had their big moves at the London Open. I don't expect any great moves. Maybe around the 9:45 US news, but it's Friday, not a trading day for me. Makes sense, yeah. It looks very ugly today. A lot of big moves in the middle of the night. I was napping through it. The way you laugh. Thanks, yo, thanks. I enjoy laughing. I chuckle a lot. Oh, man. Let's look at the 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours are doing today. Hi, Sheila. What up, Sheila? So how much have you backtested this? What do the risk to reward versus run rate look like? I backtested it a bit. I haven't had time to just sit in front of my charts and do like 100 trades to know like a legit win rate based off of 100 trades. That's ridiculous amount. I'm somewhat forward testing it using challenges and putting myself in an emotional, state of mind with the model instead of just back testing, because I back tested it a lot. It definitely hits like large R's. The one that I often see getting hit more than like 60% is a 1 to 1.5 R. So if you target a 1 to 1.5 R, it's totally gonna, it's totally gonna be like, now I just lost my train of thought. I totally lost my train of thought. I just read that you said that I skipped your first comment. What's your first comment? Man, I gave up on the 2022 model. After 10 months of learning it, still didn't work for me. Seems that this OTE strategy is better. And let's talk all about it. Yeah, definitely. I didn't like that 2022 model either, honestly. I got you, bro. EU was a good trade from the 50% of the FVG on the H4. The 50% of the FVG. Euro might be. Euro's retracing right now. Euro broke down. Is the range for Euro 4 hour? Morning, Hotshot. Good morning, the trading suite. Hi, Fardosa. How's Hotshot? What's up? Yo, boys, what up, Connor? Hey, I seen that GU trade hit. You get that challenge pass or what? You get a pass? I'm curious. Bro, I'm new to ICT. I want to know what you think about the ICT Judas swing. The Judas swing is cool. It's the false move, manipulation move. Gives you good insight. Let me see. Oh, Euro JPY. In an OTE running bullish. The market's just opened. What's your suggestion on Judas swing compared to the OTE strategy? I love the OTE over anything, to be honest. Long from the FVG. Long from the FVG. On which pair? I took gold buy on 15-minute OTE in London. And take profit is negative 0.5%. Nice. Nice, that's a good one. GJ fib from 530 to 650, bro. GJ fib from 530 to 6. Looking at the 1 minute, no wonder. I was like, what? 530 to 650. Not a bad look. Right here is where I would actually frame it at right now until it got stopped out. Then I would reframe it there. Well, right now it's too deep. Yeah, I'd just reframe it there, definitely. It's not a bad trade. It doesn't look bad at all. Hasn't tapped here yet. So I definitely have my buy limit set there. We passed, bro. Nice, Connor. Very nice. Yes, awesome. What are the London sessions times for this OTE strategy? The OTE is specific to 8:30 to 11. If you trade it any other time, ICT says that it's just Fibonacci trading. But I'm sure you could trade it from 2 to 5. Oof. Dang. Opportunity on gold, kinda. Euro JPY. I think I want to go long on Euro JPY from here. It's already moving away. Do you trade the Judas swing, bro? Nah, I don't care to trade it. I'm just looking for OTEs. I'm shorting GJ for front testing the OTE. Nice. Shorting GJ, huh? The savagery. It's not a bad idea to short, but it's also, not a bad idea to look long. It's kind of indecisive for me. Which time should I look for the Judas swing? I don't know. I know that the Judas swing happens after midnight. You know that there's one that also happens at 8:30. Anyone who is news, please don't waste hundreds of hours of ICT content. 90% of it is just rents. Literally why I stopped watching ICT, honestly. It looks good because it's like a 4-hour OTE setup here for me. But like I also feel like it's gonna trade deeper into it. Like if we frame the actual like larger move, I feel like it's gonna move up here and then continue lower. So I think I want to go long on this. If it taps as 6 again, I think I'm gonna be in there. 80. The 80 level, and that is 9 plus 5 equals 14. So 50 divided by 14. 50 divided by 14 divided by 7 equals 0.51 lot size. And I'm gonna jump in it because it just tapped. Hopefully it'll tap it again. Yeah, I'm in there. Bye. Boom. I'm in Euro JPY. My stop loss is right here. If it gets stopped out, I'll reframe it and I'll drag it down to here, take another entry. But I'm in Euro JPY currently. 0.01 trades to run out the day's Connor facts. It's better to follow someone who understood these concepts and then is doing live streams like Hotshot is. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Just got stopped out on UJ Long, done for the week. Aw, man. Ah, bummer, bro, bummer. UJ kind of looks ugly to me. It's at the top of a range. I think it might either retrace or it might consolidate and then continue expanding. It's kind of unpredictable right now. The reason why I'm in Euro JPY is because it's came down, optimal trade entry, tap 62. It's within the optimal trade entry range. Hopefully we can start seeing some upside move from here. As you can see, the 5-minute already started working its way from this area, and it's moving up. It's traveling up. Like I said, I think it might drive deeper into the 4-hour retreat, 4-hour expansion. But there's also this 5-minute right here that if it wanted to, it could drive deeper into that and then continue down lower for an even deeper retracement on the 4-hour. This might just get stopped out. Price literally moves the same way in London like in New York. There's not much difference, so I disagree with ICT there. I disagree too. Definitely. Did you find any setup? Currently in this one right now. Good call. No trades for me. We'll just watch the fun. LOL. Facts. That's good. Are you in a buy? I'm in a buy right here, yes. What's your monthly percentage target? I want to hit 10% per month, 120% per year. Sounds nice. Yo, 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 how we doing? We're doing good, David. How about yourself? I'm out, take profit hit, been practicing to be not greedy. That's good. That's a good practice. Nice one, Sheila. Very nice. What up, Hotshot? How you doing, brother? I'm doing good. Jason, how about yourself? What up, what up, what up? Oh, yup. EJ does look good. Too slow. Hotshot. LOL. I know. I'm going short as Hotshot is going long. Oh, no. What up, JC? What up, what up, what up? What's the stop loss? 155.680 is the stop loss. Targets is going to be a 1.5R. Nice entry on GU. 5-minute OTE. Target equal Asian highs. Let's go look at GU. This is currently like my current, how I would frame it currently. Hasn't made a high just yet. Once it does, then I'll reframe it. Got scary here. Got real scary there. Come on, EJ. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. New York is normally continuation of London. Yeah, I could see that. That's a fact. That's a fact. I've been good. Picked up my new car yesterday, so just been driving around with the open sunroof. Nice. Congrats on the new car. What'd you get? That's awesome. Dude, I was thinking about getting, I wanted to get me a new car too. I was planning on it. And then all of a sudden I got a letter in the mail from New Mexico, my state, saying that I owe them like $6,000. Because back in like I think it was like 2020, I was claiming unemployment because I got fired from a job. And I shouldn't have been claiming at the time. It was so stupid, bro. Man, if I could go back to my younger self and just slap my younger self like, you dummy. Yeah, it came back to bite me in the butt. Bummer. Bummer. Hotshot incriminating himself right now. FBI entered the chat. Facts, dude. That is so funny. I think I'm really going to give the strategy a go. I have a backtesting software, but I wish I had more time to backtest because I really want to know the win rate and risk to reward. Yeah, bro, it's, risk to rewards 1 to 3R, 1 to 4R, they all hit. They hit in their own times. 1 to 1.5 hits like a lot of the time, so I just stick with that. I'll go for like a 1 to 2 whenever I'm funded, but right now it's simply just 1 to 1s, 1 to 1.5s. I'm taking GU for longs if she comes back, just a demo. Nice. Yeah, I definitely seen that. Definitely seen that. I got a BYD 803. Never heard of them before until I ordered one out last month. The interior is interesting to say the least. Nice, nice, very interesting. I've never heard of that either. That's awesome. Sup, gang? What up, what up, what up? Just been triggered into GU. Let's go. Nice. Crazy trend in GU, EU during London. No, I agree. Insane. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I enter exactly at 62% and get out at 2R, nothing less, no break evens. That's good. That's good. See, if that's your model, run with it. Run with that model, Not a bad model. GBP USD. That's scary. EU setting up for a buy. Y'all think so? I feel like Eve just flipped. At the same time, we could consider that a liquidity grab. You frame it from here to here. Consider that a liquidity grab. Reach down. It can certainly go bullish. Setting up for a long. I'd frame it from here to here. It taps 60. Not a bad idea. I just got stopped out on Euro JPY. I'm gonna reframe it. Boom. I'm gonna look to take another entry from here. Stop loss will go right here. 16 plus 5. 16, 17, 2. Just 17 plus 5, 17. Love you more, drive safe. Yeah, baby, I will. Okay. So 22 pips, we'll do another 1%. 1% divided by 22 pips divided by 7 equals 0.32. Don't place another long here, 0.32. Bye. Alright, I just went long again. Stop loss is at 155.500. Modify. Alright, let's see what happens. It's looking ugly, not gonna lie. It's looking scary. If it takes this out, I'm just gonna start assuming that this is a market structure shift, and I'm gonna start looking for a bearish retracement to capture a bearish move down, because this just looks ugly. But we buy on down candles and sell on up candles, right? Sup, bro? Are you in a trade yet? Yeah, bro, I just lost this one. I re-entered here. We reframed it. Currently looks like we're gonna get stopped out here as well. This is ridiculous, man. These charts are ugly. Peter wasn't lying. Peter wasn't lying when he said it. Doesn't look like a good day to trade. In your videos, I see you mainly look at 1 minute charts for OTE, and now you are in 5 minute. How come? There's multiple ways to look at it. I just got stopped out again. That's great. Alrighty then. So we are down about 1.70% this morning. So now we'd probably reframe it, look for sells here. That's crazy. EU just tapped nicely, not bad at all. GU, Connor, I think you got stopped out, huh? If GU takes me out, then I will view this as a buy side liquidity grab above this size market structure shift with displacement, then switch to sells. Facts. So the reason why is because 1 minute is aggressive. 1 minute is very fast moving. 5 minute is a lot more slower paced and conservative in my opinion. So you can totally trade either. Both of them work out. It's definitely up to you as a trader. What do you want to do? Do you want to be riskier and go in and out really quick? You know, it's totally up to you. But yeah, that was a melt. There's a lot of displacement, a lot of movement in this direction. You could just tell. You just see it. It's very obvious in these 3 black candles. I've seen price run 2R many times easily. Facts, David. I have too. Wanted to expand downwards with velocity into daily busy. Okay. See what you mean. We reframed it like this. It's just way too large. It's really large. Chances of it coming all the way down to here, it's kind of slim, huh? While it moves up. If you notice though, retraced into equilibrium, tapped equilibrium, and now it's moving away. So this is a bigger range. These are like smaller ranges. It could actually go for sells here on Euro JPY. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is fine. This is fine. Why always divide your position by 7, bro? For my Forex funds, I've noticed that 7 gets me right around my 1% risk, or right around my risk, I should say. For FTMO, it's 10. It's 10 for FTMO. You have to have a bias. That's the most important thing. I disagree. I don't think bias is that important, honestly, because bias, the 5-minute time frame compared to the daily time frame, the higher time frames, it's ridiculous, right? Like the movement there to target, really you just want to target the previous day's high or low. You know what I mean? If you can find an OTE in the direction of previous day's high or low, that's your setup. You don't necessarily need daily bias, because daily bias can tell you bullish, but at the same time 5-minute has a bunch of bear moves, and I've witnessed and experienced that. And then you're sitting there looking for a bull move because the daily's bullish, but there's tons of bear moves just happening in front of you, and you see them happening, but you're not taking those trades because you're bullish, and those trades are winning, and it's like, damn, I should have taken those trades. Yeah, you should have, could have, would have, but you didn't, because you're just fixated on a daily bias, which realistically moves too dang slow. You know, like, you're just targeting the previous day's high or low. So if you have an OTE and it retraces for a buy, you're targeting the previous day's high. Let's just keep it real sweet and simple. EU looks good. Does it look good? Nice. Nice. It does. It is looking a little cherry dairy there. It is looking pretty cherry dairy there. Do you trade AU? It just swept sell side. Yeah, sweep like a 1 hour sell side right here. I'll look at AU, but right now I'd probably be looking at it like this. This is my setup, and this is probably a sell right here, but I don't know about taking it. I'm down 2% for the day. I'm in for a buy. Nice, Darnell. Very nice. Euro JPY 4-hour bias was bearish. How do you see it bearish? 4-hour bias is on Euro JPY is far from bearish. It's in a higher time frame OTE. I do want to see a TGIF too. Facts. Entry on GU for sells. Why are you selling it right there? At 27271. Oh, because you're drawing it from here to here, and you're I see what you mean. Okay. You're savage, bro. You're savage. GBP USD long 15-minute OTE. Yeah, if you framed it like this to here, the OTE is right here. It could be a nice 15-minute long. It's not a bad look. Not a bad look at all. I'm in gold long at 1921.05. Nice, you're in some nice profit. That's what's up. That's crazy. I started my fib at 1.08755. Okay, I see you framed it from the black one. Nice. Nice. Very nice. You said you don't pay attention to FEGs. They are so important though. If they're so important, why is there so many? You know, there's just too many. You could have one straight line down. Look at this right here. There's this big move down, right? This big move that happened, right? Here's an FEG here. Huge one, right? And then here's another one right here. There's two of them. ICT says take your entry off the first one. So if you took your entry right here, you would have been a winner. If you set your entry right here, you know, you would have missed out on it. But it's just, there's too many. Like, I don't like multiple points of interest. I like one point of interest, keep it simple, because then you're overthinking. You're like, well, I don't want to set it right here and get stopped out. If I set it right here and get stopped out too, that'll suck. I don't, you know what I mean? Like, it's a mind game for me. Like, I do not like that market structure shifts or all that. Even this one right here, perfect example. Right here, price ran out liquidity here, market structure shifted to the downside. What did it do? Printed 1, 2 fair value gaps. Right here, same thing. It tapped into both of them. If you would have entered off of this one, had your stop above it, you would have got wicked out. You would have entered off this one, had your stop above this one, you would have been a winner. But it's too many points of interest for me. I don't want to have to enter twice. Like, I don't want to have to even have a stop loss deeper to consider this one too. It's too much. It's ridiculous in my opinion, and I just don't care for it. Fair value gaps are just not the move for myself. Same with order blocks. You never really know which one's going to hold. You never really know which fair value gap is going to hold. This is a clean cut, simple, dry approach to trading for me, and this is how I'm a rock. EJ long, bro, on 1 minute time frame. OTE formed and triggered. EJ on the 1 minute? I don't see it quite yet. I mean, it made like a market structure shift. I don't know. I wouldn't be looking for the 1 minute one quite yet. It would need like a nice expansion for me. See gold flying after it hit yesterday's order block to the upside. Yep. I definitely see that. Tapped it right here and started moving up from there. Very nice, very nice. How you doing, bro? I'm doing good, Abe. I lost 2% today. Bummer, bro, but it's all good. Part of trading. 4-hour EJ still bullish, hasn't broken structure. Facts. You in anything? Not right now. I got stopped out twice, so kind of just sitting on our hands at the moment, seeing if there's another setup we could take advantage of this morning, but at the moment it's not too great right now. I'm kind of thinking about taking this one right here, and if this Euro JPY one gets stopped out, then you know I'm really gonna call it a day. It's because I truly believe that the 4-hour is bullish. I really think this move is gonna fly bullish. It's just huge, like stop loss. Risk reward isn't that great either. I don't know. I might just sit on my hands, to be quite honest, because that's a huge range. I don't like the stop loss being 26 pips. I don't like that price has to move 26 pips just for a 1-to-1 to be reached. I don't like that. Personally, I'd be looking for sells on EJ. I don't trade it though. I only trade GU and SPX. GU setting up nicely for sells. Thanks for the note. I think GU created an equal high to grab it and come to deep premium to sell. If we look at GU from the higher time frame perspective, right? This is the range that GU is currently within. From here up to here, right? So if we look at that this way, it just took out 4-hour liquidity for a liquidity sweep. I think it will start flying from here, bro. If we framed it off the 5-minute right here, I think it could start flying, you know. I think it can, I think it can, I think it can. Until when am I live? I usually like to stay live until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But we'll see. We'll see. If it's boring, if there's nothing really going on, we'll see. I was up 1% today, now I'm on 0%. Happens, bro. It happens. It happens. Look at GU 15-minute. Like I said, it looks good. It doesn't look bad. It does look good. In our fourth black hourly candle, Dixie 9:30 around the corner. You looking for that what's it called? Oof, I'm forgetting it. 9:30 around the corner. Yeah, it is. 9:45 is around the corner. We don't want to be in the markets around this time, you guys. Make sure you're out of the markets at 9:45, okay? That's not financial advice. That's literally just I don't want you guys to get ruined by spread, or not spread, but slippage. Since how long have you been forward testing this strat, Hotshot? Do you have some stats? Honestly, I started this one about 2 months ago, where I was really like 2 months ago I was really like focusing on it, back testing it, understanding how it works, understanding when to re-anchor fibs, understanding when to consider liquidity grabs and all of that good stuff, right? So it's been about 2 months since I started that, and then whenever I kind of got that understood, under control, and you know, really started looking at it that way, then I took the challenge. So I started the challenge about maybe, I want to say 2-3 weeks ago. I started the challenge like 3 weeks ago, and now we're in phase 2. So I've been forward testing it for about 3 weeks now. Time to turn on the Xbox. See you on Monday. Enjoy your time, my friend. See you Monday. EU probably will wait till Judah swing 50 minutes to take out area and then look for the buy. I don't know if you know this strategy. I'm not sure which one you're speaking of. What's your trading rule for every day? Like, how many losses would it take for you to call it a day? I would say 3, Sheila. I would say 3. The reason why is because the way that I'd usually look at it is I'd have my first entry, right? If that gets stopped out, I'd re-anchor my fibs. I'd have my second entry, right? Similar to this situation. If that got stopped out like it did here in this situation, at that point, I'd like to flip my fibs, consider the retracement there, consider this market structure shift. I'd flip my fibs and then look for a sell. Give me 1 moment. Hello? Hey. Your headphones down? They're in the trunk. They're in the trunk of the car. Of course. Love you. Bye. Lady Hotshot. But yeah, so like I would flip it and then I would look for the sell. If that got stopped out, then that's my third trade for the day, my third loss. I just walk away after 3 losses, because realistically, it won't just like wick back and forth, you know, it won't just take you out back and forth, back and forth. The reason why I'm not flipping it right now to look for a sell is simply because I truly believe that it's bullish based off the 4-hour time frame. I think it may start seeing some bull upside from here. It could even just drive deeper, right? It could drive deeper within this range just to give like a deeper retracement. And we will never know. We will never be for sure. It's just it's kind of how you frame price, right? That's just how I frame price. That's my framework. So three losses and I'll call it. S&P news in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes. Oh, GU! Oh my goodness! If GU market structure shifted on the 1 minute, I'm gonna go in. Oh, I was just reading that comment and then it got deleted. Will you trade NASDAQ or S&P later? Nah, I'm strictly Forex. Strictly Forex. Hey bro, you look into indices? Nah, I'm strictly Forex. Strictly Forex. You look at the 4-hour. Hello. We have it framed from here to here. It got stopped out. At this point, I'd probably be looking for sells, bear moves. That's cool that it's working well for you. If you made a video reviewing all your trades on the challenge, I would highly appreciate that. Sounds good, sounds good. I'll probably I want to start doing like daily recaps of our live trading sessions like we are here. I kind of wanted to start doing like daily recaps of it. Just go in and show the wins, also show the losses, show the realistic side of trading. Yeah. Euro JPY long. I know it looks long, but the thing about it is, if I entered it right now, it'd be a 26 pips stop loss. Well, like realistically 31 pips because I had 5 pips for shred. So the fact that price has to travel 31 pips just to give me a 1-to-1 R, I don't like that. I don't. Truthfully, do not mess with it. If you have an OTE inside of FBG, that is money. Heck yeah, heck yeah. If you want to pair it up, pair it up. Are you gonna take GU? I don't know. I don't know. Should we take GU, y'all? I think it'll fly. I think it'll fly. Yeah, we'll take GU. We'll look at it right here. Stop loss will go right here. 900. Boom. 1-to-1 R will be like right here. So if we have, let's just say we took entry right here, right? It'd be 21 plus 5. Okay, 19 plus 5 is like 24. So we'll do 0.29 lot size. I'm going to enter on GU. GU buy 0.29 buy. Boom. Alright, I'm in GU. It looks very nice. I think it's gonna go long 26900. Based off the 4-hour, we just got a 4-hour liquidity sweep. The framework looks bullish on the 4-hour within the range. Expansion, this is the range that it's been trading within. It wanted to move up, gave a liquidity sweep, still within the range. The last 4-hour candle, I mean, I don't really look at bullish engulfings or anything, but like you could see that it created a swing low here. This candle also took out this 4-hour candle's high, so we can anticipate this candle to come up too. So yeah, I'm long here. I am long, I'm long. We'll see what happens on this trade. I'll target a 1 to 1.5 R. Alright, we're in there like swimwear, my friends. Have you ever done back testing with your OTE and indices? I have not. No, I have not. I have not. Not a bad idea. Anyone here trade SP 500? I have a question. Seems like you need to use ridiculously high lots. For SP 500, I think you do gotta use high lots. I think it's lower lots. I don't know. I don't know. Are you talking about my trades in general? Like I have to use higher lots? Yesterday I looked SPX 500 and I just thought of risking 50 USD2 and it had good silver bullish setup with FBG supporting for short. Long story short, I opened 20 lot and I was like alright and lost 2%. Dang, bummer. Happens, bro, it happens. Very much happens. 27099. That's my entry. That's my actual entry. I am down at the moment. Down but not out. Hopefully this hits. If this hits, I'll be like near break even because I'm down like 1.70% for the day. So hopefully this hits. Hopefully, dup. GBP got bearish news and is stepping down on higher time frame now. The way that I frame it on the 4-hour time frame, right? This is the expansion range that we're within. If you framed it from here, obviously it got stopped out, but then we would re-anchor, right? Once we re-anchor, it hasn't been stopped out yet, so we're still within this range. Currently, I consider this a liquidity grab. It grabbed out liquidity and it created this swing low, this 3 candle swing low. This candle right here took out that candle's high, validating this candle as an order block. Usually whenever it takes out the high, it validates it as an order block, but what I like to see is it close above the high so the next candle can wick into it. It didn't close above it, but I still anticipate it going bullish. Alright, we're looking cherry dairy. Okay, I like it. I'm talking about SPX 500. Whenever I use my MT4 position sizer for 5 candle stop loss, it's like 166 lots for only risking 1%. I'm just playing with it. Yeah, that's ridiculous. I can assure you that 166 lots on SPX 500, I feel like that'll just like immediately throw you in thousands of dollars of drawdown immediately as you open up the trade. Oh, that is so funny. Yeah, trying to figure it all out before I trade it live. But that's exactly why I don't trade indices. Because it's not as easy to calculate your lot sizes as compared to Forex. But also, like, I just don't like how it's like used as handles instead of pips. I was trained on pips. Whenever I introduced to ICT and he started talking about handles, I'm like, what the hell are handles? Are handles pips? It took me months to even understand what a handle is. But like even now, I'm still confused about handles. I'm like, all right, so they're just another way to interpret the movement of price, kind of like pips. But I don't know, bro. It's confusing for me. Very confusing. Hopefully it will move on GU around 9:30 and you can get out before news. I know, hopefully, dude, hopefully. Ah, are you in GU? I am. I'm in this buy right here. This is my entry, my real entry. This is the level it's entered at. This is my stop loss. This is my target up here. We're targeting a 1 to 1.5 R. Comments on Euro USD OTE. Euro USD, I think it's going to be going bullish. consider the liquidity grab. It's deep within OTE. I think it's going to be going bullish. I think it's going to take out the high here. It wicked it. Darnell is in this. I know Darnell's in the money right now. That was my first trade on indice, and I didn't know the lot sizes as in Forex. Telling you, bro, it's different in indices. It's way different. It's not as fun as it looks. It's kind of intense. Does indices have higher lot size mean that commission is way higher? I think commissions are higher, but with indices, you actually got to use a lower lot size. Like for Forex right now, this trade right here, this lot size is 0.29. But for indices, that lot size drops to like 0.05 real quick because it's very similar in movement. Like on US 30, dude, for US 30, if you put a 0.01 lot size, like Connor, try this. Go to US 30, put in a 0.01 lot size, and look at how much negative it just puts you in right away. Like, it's crazy with just the 0.01 lot. It's insane. That position sizer must be off. I used to trade SPX 500 for a long time and never had lot sizes like that, right? Way off. I agree. Are you in GU? Yes. Yes, I am. I swear I can't read pips on indices or handles. Bro. Alright, Josh, you're funny, bro. Depends on leverage of the broker. If he is on 1 to 500, he can go crazy. Facts. Very facts. I stick to currencies. Me too. Me too. Took months to understand handles. Not a good look to say that, bro. I don't care, bro. Took me months to understand handles, dude. I came in as a retail trader, bro. My whole I was brainwashed, bro. It took me so long to forget what I knew. I still don't forget what I know like in retail. I'm like, okay, so that's a retail support. Like, bro, it's crazy, you know? It's insane. Bro, if you like in 1-to-1R, will you let it go on news? Um, yeah, if I'm up like 1-to-1R, I'll let it go. We'll see. We'll see. I still don't understand handles. Handles are kind of hard to understand. I swear handles is just points. Yeah, there's four ticks, which is like 4 points in one handle. So it's very interesting to say the least. Zero commissions for indices, man. Really? I swear that commissions are higher. Interesting. LMAO, that was me so crazy. Facts, bro, we're all like. The way GU is setting up, I'd be tempted to sell it. Oh, knocking down my confidence here. Yeah. I don't know, I'm very confident in this long. Very confident in this buy. You need to read the symbol specification to understand the lot size and scaling for your broker. Whenever you say like symbol specification, George, what do you mean by that? On prop firms, most are zero commissions on indices. Oh, interesting. See, and that's how you know I don't trade them. I remember trading them on Hugo's Way. I don't know if y'all remember that broker. Hugo's Way? That was my OG broker. Oh, man. And the weekend commission is like 100 EM more. Dang. Hey, man, I really appreciate these live streams, and I hope you never stop. This channel will blow up. Thank you. I hope this channel blows up. That'd be awesome. Shoot. Man, it'd be great. It'd be great because honestly, I'll be honest, you guys, I kind of want to do like this full time. I mean, obviously, I want to trade full time, but I also want to like create content and like actually be, you know, somewhat of an influence full time just to kind of document my life and my journey and you know my traveling, like where I go. I'm gonna be going to the Bahamas in September. I'm gonna be taking a trip out there for the first time, and then Florida for the first time. I've never been. So I want to like kind of document all that. It'd be cool. It'd be cool. I'm up one risk reward on AU. Going break even. Nice. Very nice. I'm AUD USD. Alright. Are you in a buy or what? Savage? Y'all are just savage. You're like, you ran out the liquidity. You was savage, bro. You was savage. Do you trade USD JPY? I do. We actually caught this sick move yesterday on USD JPY. It was dirty, dude. Freaking sick. If you didn't see that, you could see it in yesterday's stream. I have it uploaded on YouTube. It was dirty, bro. It was really nice. It was very nice indeed. We're currently in profit. Hopefully we could get like some big pushes going. Buy. I'm trading Silver Bullet. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. Alright, sounds good. See the 1 minute is expanding nicely. Let's go GU. GU. You dun 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 such fuck talent. What time do my live streams start? I like to start them at 6:15 a.m. my time, which is 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York Standard Time. Silver Bullet did not work for me. Me neither, bro. Me neither. It's okay. I'll fill you mine. Look at that. Look at that. Darnell. I see you, Darnell. Up EU. 2R on EU. Look at that. Beautiful, bro. That's a nice move. Good catch. Good catch. Someone asked my thoughts on the OTE on EU. Very nice looking right here. 5 minute OTE took out the high there. Beautiful. It could very likely travel up to the negative 0.5 level. And of course, we don't take profits there. We take them at the next institutional level before it. So it'd be the 09050 level. So it'd be like right here where my crosshairs are. Very nice move. Good catch, Darnell. Take profit. Take profit. Watch a reverse from FVG plus order block, no cap. Jesper, are you talking about GBP USD or what? you out here preying on my downfall. Oh, my gold explode. I'm still in the trade. Nice. Nice. Yeah, gold flew. Gold just took the hell out. That's awesome. Your 0.14 level of fib saved my account 100 times. Nice. Nice. I really dislike the Silver Bullet. It makes me pull my hair out. Facts, dude. Me too. I really dislike it. It's kind of stressful. It's a struggle, really. It is a struggle bus. OTE for the win. Yes, sir. See the low here. Those are equal lows. That's where I would draw it, but it's a little too close to where price is currently. We drew it from here to here. Might have like a 1 minute OT if it comes down to like right here and then moves up again. But the real OT is framed right here, which it already tapped into. It's just this is really close to current price, so that's why I frame it down here in case it wants to travel back down, but this is the 1 minute OT. Thanks, it hit right before the news. I know you lucky ducky you. Oh man, yeah, I might have to close this one in profit or something before the news. I hope it just keeps flying. Can we get another OTE entry on GU after this leg? If it wanted to like come down like this and make like a failed lower low, it can totally do that and make a higher low and continue up. It could totally do that. EJ for sell. Euro JPY selling or what? It could sell. And then I'd be kicking myself in the butt like, bro, that's your rules. Just stick to it. The only thing that's really psyching me out is the 4 hour. I really think that it's going to keep flying. Because I'd also flip my fib to look for a sell. But it's just that 4 hour is really psyching me out. I'm planning to start a real account. Nice, Verdosa. Nice. I'm in EU and GU. That's what's up. That's what's up. I hope it all works out. Definitely. Whenever you're ready, step into the ring and let those hands fly. Bro, I was so miserable trying to learn the 2022 mentorship. I wasted months of my life. So sad, really. Yeah, the 2022 mentorship, it's got good info, but I think it's flawed. That's my personal opinion. I tried the 2022 mentorship model, and bro, I got smoked majority of the time. It's just kind of stressful with that one, not gonna lie. Liking the sell more and more on GU. Not going to take it though, as Mondays and Fridays are not trading days for me. It's not a bad sell, but I don't know. I feel like the higher time frame is just gonna work it out for a long. I don't know. Would stops under the low on 1 minute right after OTE be too risky? Yeah, the 1 minute's totally risky, yo. But if you like the adrenaline rush, cause like once price taps your thing, it'll fly into profit and boom, you just made like 1-2% in like freaking 5 minutes. It's crazy. Sometimes even less than that. So like it's an adrenaline rush for sure. So if you like that risky side of trading, totally, you could rock with the 1 minute, of course. It's not a bad idea. How old are you, Hotshot? When did you find trading? I am 23 now. I found trading when I was 18. I was 18 years old. I was 18 years old whenever I discovered trading. Like 19 years old though, whenever I actually started taking trading like seriously. So yeah, this year is like year 6 for me. Year 5 or year 6, I don't even know, bro. I'm turning 24 this year, but I've been trading since 19. Oh man, bro. And I was trading retail the whole time. I'd throw an RSI on my chart and I wouldn't look for divergence. I'd look for it to run past the 70 or the 30 level on RSI, and then I'd look for a counter trend trade. And yeah, it was just not the move, bro. It was not the move at all. What did help you to become profitable? I'm technically not even profitable, yo. I don't make any money from trading right now. Everything I do is literally, educational purposes. Like I'm not even a mentor. Like the stuff I post is literally what works for me. The OTE works for me. I'm still trying to get funded with it. We're in phase 2 of the challenge, so far it's looking to be profitable. It's just a matter of time. I also don't like 2022 mentorship, but I learned a lot. And that's a fact. I did learn a lot, but I don't implement what I learned at all. It's too many moving parts. Look for the 2022 model on PA arrays. It's a banger. It's a banger, huh? Alright. Friday and Monday suck. Yeah, they do, Borna. Yeah, they suck. UJ just swept out Southside liquidity. Did it? I thought UJ was... Oh wait, no, that's AUD USD. I'm gonna say, I thought UJ was just up here. I was like, how did it fall like that so quick? Yeah, it just swept out Southside. Maybe we'll see like a 1 minute move bullish, like a market structure shift on the 1 minute bullish. We'll see. We'll see. In my opinion, 2022, it's okay. It is okay. It's alright. It's alright. Have you considered getting a backtesting software to refine the strategy and make more money? Nah, I haven't. Cause like I don't know like what kind of trading software are you talking about, like Forex Tester 5? I'm doing a 15K funded challenge. Nice. Very nice. Good luck to you. I hope you win. I hope you make some money, get funded. I hope you get funded 15K, then I hope you take that 15K and make profits and apply those profits to more funding and make more profits from that funding and keep applying profits to more funding and get rich. I hope you get rich, Warsome. 2022 mentorship is not something you're gonna get in a few months. Facts. It's not. I was definitely freaking studying it for a while though, bro. It was kind of stressful. Cause like the thing about me, I watch an ICT video all the way through, and I'll take as many notes as I can. Then I'll rewatch it all the way through, and I'll take even more notes. So I'll watch every ICT video about 2 times each, just to make sure that I didn't miss anything important, just to make sure that I got everything that's necessary and explained in the video. So whenever you watch ICT's videos 2 times each, bro, you're gonna be spending a lot of time watching ICT videos, bro. It's kind of ridiculous if I could be real. Have you ever paid for signals? Of course, bro. Of course. There was a time before ICT where I was like, damn, bro, I'm kind of giving up on trading. I can't get profitable. I can't get consistent. And I was trading retail. I was like, bro, I see these guys on Instagram who are profitable, consistent, and they got Forex signals. I'm like, why not just take signals, get funded, and just use that funding? Because I've told y'all this. I don't care to trade. I don't like trading. I don't want to be a trader forever. Once I make enough money, I'm going to build a bot just to have it trade for me and just take those profits so I could invest. Bro, I'm an investor. I like investing. I like to put my money to work for me. I don't like working for my money. This right here, trading, feels like I'm working for money. You know, even though you're literally chilling, kicking back, it's all laid back and chill, but I feel like I'm working for my money. You know, I don't like that. And so, like, I was like, yeah, let me take some signals, let me freaking do this and do that. Bro, those signal providers suck. They're all garbage. They are all garbage for real. Bro spent half his life trying to learn ICT. Bro, some people do. Is there tapped into fair value gap moving up? Moving up in the world. How much funded account you were trading? Like what do you mean? Like right now I'm trading a $5,000 challenge, trying to get funded 5Gs. Then I've taken like, bro, I can't tell you how many 100K challenges I've taken. I've thrown so many, like, I've blown so many 100K challenges. I've blown so many 50K challenges. I've blown enough challenges to realize, like, bro, you're just throwing money down the drain at that point. Like, it's not worth just throwing money down the drain, straight up. Like, not at all. It's not worth it, like, at all. It's honestly a little frustrating. I've lost so much just trying to pass challenges. So that's exactly why I took this $50, $5,000 challenge. Good morning, bro. What up, Interest Ed? Good morning. Good morning. Which prop firm do you use? Currently, I'm using my Forex funds. Excuse me. I'm rocking with my Forex funds. I also want to receive, once I max out my funding with them, I want to max out my funding with FTMO. Once I do it with them too, I also want to max out my funding with the funded trader. Does my Forex funds have raw spreads? I'd say they're raw spreads. Not bad. Not bad spreads. Like right now on GU, the spread, it shows that it's 9. 8 right now. 11, 12. It's bouncing from like 12 to 8. What do you do other than trading to get capital? I just work, bro. I just work a regular 9 to 5. I want to start reselling stuff, but like then my time starts going into other things that isn't trading, that isn't the channel, and I really want to dedicate way more time into the channel, because like how I was mentioning earlier, I kind of want to start like full-time content creation, not just of trading, but giving you the life, like the inside life of me. Maybe you could learn something. You know, I could put you guys on to like real estate, I put you on to credit videos, put you on to like different diets, different gym workouts, and all that good stuff. Because I don't mean to toot my own horn, suck my own nuts or anything, but you know, I feel like I'm a pretty intelligent individual. I feel like I got a lot to offer. My personality is pretty cool, and my girlfriend kind of, you know, made me realize all of this. And you know, it'd be cool to put myself out there and, you know, kind of grow as a person and just kind of get it all going. All right, yo, I think I'm gonna freaking exit this. I'm gonna exit this and break even, dude. Yeah. I exited this and break even. If it wants to go back towards my entry, news drops in 10 minutes, dude. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this for news. It's looking so stupid right now, bro. The markets are just ugly this morning. I was hoping that it would move up more into profit before the news dropped, but my gosh, it's just terrible, bro. Friday's just terrible. Friday's just terrible. It's okay. We're still up. Let me give you guys a little update on the challenge. So currently, it's totally not refreshing what it's actually at. So right now, profit loss for the day, net profit slash loss. So right now, this is the actual account. We're about like 1% up on evaluation phase 2. So we're still up 1% on the account. You know, today we took about a 1.7% loss, which is totally cool with me. I'm not tripping because I know like we'll come back and we'll make it more back next week. It's totally fine. But this is the one that I just closed out and break even. These are the two losses that I took today. I took 0.5% loss, a 4% loss. But yeah, those are the trades that I took today. 1 break even, 2 L's. Losing day, bro. It's a losing day. So, you know, they happen. This is a realistic side of trading. Don't want to sell you guys a dream and tell you that this stuff don't happen, because this stuff does happen. You know, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose a lot. You might even lose more than you win, but it's just making sure that your winners are bigger than your losses, you know? So that is that, bro. It's a bummer, but I definitely want to see what this news does in like freaking little bit here. See what's up. UJ is flying. UJ's moving. UJ's moving. Euro USD given another opportunity. What's Euro JPY doing, bro? It's moving up in the world. Gold just flying. That homie's enjoying the money right now. Oh man. If GBP USD like digs deeper or something for news, sweeps out more liquidity, maybe I'll re-enter after that and let it ride after news. See if he'll do that, but we'll just have to wait and see. We'll wait and see. Let's see. Um, the funded trader have a free July competition. Want to join? Ooh, interesting. I might just check it out. Buy looks like it's gonna play out. I was looking at that. EUI looks nice. It doesn't look bad at all. Why did you go with my Forex funds? Their execution latency is garbage. Slippage is garbage. Why not go for a better firm? Because no other firm really offers a $50, $5,000 challenge. That's exactly why I went with my Forex funds. That was the only thing that sold me. I was like, 50 bucks? Shit, why not? And 8% by goal? Why not, bro? 8% goal, $50 to get funded 5Gs. It doesn't break the bank. It's a lower goal, more, you know, more expectation of passing, in my opinion. Did you finally get into the account you bought the magic keys with? No, bro. I gave up on that. I wasted magic key money. It sucks, dude. I can't get in. It's a bummer. It hurts. It's every phone number that I put in, it's like type in the phone number associated with this account. And I put in my phone number, it's like this number is not associated. So I put in my girlfriend's, this number is not associated. So I put in my mom's, this number is not. Bro, whose number is on this account? I know I didn't put nobody else's number. Why would I? It's stupid, bro. Need meal preps? Heck yeah, bro. Dude, not gonna lie, dude. I got a physique on me too. Out here looking good in the gym. Got the ladies staring, and then my girlfriend's like, "That bitch was staring at you." It's like, I'm sorry. Like, my bad, shit. It ain't my fault. Let me delete this little bip here. 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. He made the right decision. Facts, facts. This is bomb. Lux Trading prop firm gives 10M funding, and scaling is like doubling every 10%. Check it out, it's gold. Okay, I'll check it out. Lux Trading prop firm. We'll look up Lux Trading prop firm. We'll look at it later on. Have it right here in my tabs. Am I tripping? I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Euro JPY is playing out. Yup, it's moving. It's moving along. Freaking Euro JPY. Ugh! Ugh! Spit on it. Nasty Euro JPY just wants to stop me out twice just to move into prop. Spit on it. You should go, okay, 0.5% day. I'm done. Good. On 5 day, I made 2.7%. That's good, Borna. Very nice. Should go for the 5%ers. High stakes challenge and scale the account up to 10K monthly salary. Yes. High stakes challenge. I'll look at that. The high stakes challenge. I'm interested. Trading's a tough game. Not as easy as it's made out to be. No, it's facts, dude. It's facts. 5%ers also on my list. Nice. I'm gonna look at them. 5M GJ reversal OTE looks like it played out for about 2R. Shoot. It's not bad, not bad. I'm gonna run to the restroom really, really quick before these 3 minutes. I wanna see that news. Alright, what's the news doing, huh? What's the news doing, huh? Huh? Oh my gosh, it flew up into profit a little bit. Oh my goodness. Great. Just for it to mess around, bro. Ah. It's still within the range. I think I'm gonna enter that back in. Alright, I re-entered since the news just passed. My new entry is set at 27144. Oh my gosh. Right at 50. I don't like that it's right at equilibrium. It's terrible, dude. Terrible, terrible, terrible. It's awful. Bro, I was playing Clash and missed my TP. Can't get stuck playing Clash, bro. That's funny. Bro, immediately gonna go against me? Really? Go GU! Go GU! Go GU! I fail because I'm overtrading, I think. Overtrading is something all of us traders face, bro. Truthfully, I feel like I'm overtrading right now. Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh, this is stupid. In addition, you expect high rewards. Yeah. Yeah, it's, you can't expect too much. You can't allow greed to just get a hold of you. Because greed is a trader murderer. You don't incorporate Dixie to your analysis? I do every now and then, bro. It's just Dixie, like, look at Dixie right now. You'll see that Dixie is like in a breaker block. Took out liquidity, expanded. Here's a breaker right here. So if pride comes into it, taps it, we could see longs. So currently we're bullish, looking for maybe some opportunity lower on Canada, Canadian dollar. It looks like it's in an OTE. Could potentially see that going up. So if dollar is going up, CAD's going up, USD CAD is likely going. But we want to pair like the opposites. So if USD is going up and CAD is going up. Let's find a pair that's going down. AUD. AUD is going down, so if we look at AUD USD, it's going down. If we look at AUD CAD, it's going down. So we could anticipate like sales on AUD CAD, things like that, but I don't like, bro, I try to keep it super simple, dude, because if you add in correlation, if you add in SMT, if you add in bias, if you add in all this other stuff, then you have too many things that need to work with each other in order to take a trade. And yeah, it might keep you more disciplined and strict, but realistically, price just moves in expansions, retracements, expansions, retracement, you know? That's how price moves. So if price moves like that, just follow the expansions and retracement, yeah? It's not necessary to get all like over complicating it. If you overcomplicate it or you just add too much to it, it's just gonna be too much. And then if you take a loss, you're gonna have to question like what was the actual main losing factor. Was it your bias? Was it your SMT? Was it your correlation? Was it your OTE setup? Like you can't really dissect exactly what went wrong whenever you have too many moving parts. And then if one moving part doesn't agree with the other one and they're contradicting each other, but you see a setup, it's like now your emotions start playing against you and you're like, man, I want to take that trade. I don't want to take that trade. If I take that trade and lose, it's gonna suck. I'm gonna know why I lost. But if I don't take that trade and it goes in profit, I'm gonna be pissed because I would have won money. And like you just start, all those emotions just start running, bro. And it's not good. It's not good. That GU sell, it would have been a nice 1 to 1.5 R. It did work out. It did work out. How many positions do you have running? Bro, I re-entered GU, and then whenever I realized I might be over trading, like homie said, I think I'm over trading, and then I was like, I think I might be over trading too. It helped me realize that I might be over trading, so I closed somewhat at a break even right there. I'm not in the markets, you guys. I'm not in the markets. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to try to, force the setup. The setups shouldn't be forced. I feel like right now, GU, I'm forcing it. It shouldn't feel forced, dude. It should just go into profit. It should just look nice. Like how Peter said, this is a nice like 1 to 1.5 R. If you framed it from here to here, beautiful setup, right? Tapped, went into profit. It should not be forced. The way that it just taps and goes into profit, that's how it should play out, bro. Like it shouldn't be forced at all. Getting married to the outcome of a trade is also a bad thing. You should be as calm as possible, and once you have decided on your direction, then let it play out either way. If you have two losses, stop. Facts. Facts. I feel that. And I'm at my two losses, so I'll just stop. I'm done. Bro, did you see what GJ did? That was solid. What did it do? It's flying right now. A 5-minute OTE reversal. I'm trying to see what you're seeing. feel like this is so similar to Euro J. Oh, Euro JPY actually hit. Ooh. I am so mad at Euro JPY for that one. Took one L. Took the second L. Didn't take this trade because of how big the stop loss was. Maybe I'll make that a rule. Who cares? Kind of hurt over that. Not gonna cap. The 9 a.m. consolidation. Pull out a fib there. Are you talking on the 1 minute? Right here on the 1 minute, I had a solid move. Look at that 1 minute OTE. See, on the 1 minutes, that's the thing too. On the 5 minutes, the 5 minute optimal trade entries, for those of you who asked like 1 minute versus 5 minutes, on the 5 minutes, like it'll hit like 1 to 4R, 1 to 5R, but it's not as, it doesn't happen as often as on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you'll hit these big moves like this easily, and they happen every freaking day. On the 5 minute, they don't happen as often. On the 5 minute, you can get like a 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 out of it. But on the 1 minute, you'll get 1 to 6 R's back and forth, left and right. They're tight. They're sick. I'm in EU sell and it's dumping. Hope it dumps a little bit more. Hopefully. I hope it does too. That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. And then GU, just messing around. Ugh. So upset. So upset. I think I'm gonna write that in one of my trading rules. Another example of it right here. Look at, if you were to have taken this 1 minute OTE right here, entry on the green line, stop loss would have been right here at the next 80 level, so it would have been right here. And then even this trade itself flew up 1 to nearly 4R right now. It hit 1 to 4R. And see, on the 5 minute, that move was only a 1 to 1R. So that's a prime example of the 1 minute flying versus a 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute is way better for beginners. So if you're just starting the OTE, definitely. Because even myself, I still work on the 5 minute, as you can see. I don't just like to jump to like the 1 minute like that. I can see the setups on the 1 minute, but to anticipate them, they come really fast and it's really scary, not gonna lie. Very, very scary. Very, very scary indeed. Gotta add to my rules here. Got my rules right here. These are all my rules that I follow. Never ever trade during red folder news. That's scheduled during our window. Any news from 8:30 to 11, stay out. Just follow correct swing points with fibs. Follow expansions, retracements. Allow one liquidity run. If it fails, reach higher highs or lows, then we will consider the market structure shift and follow new expansions and retracements. 4-hour and 5-minute are key. These are all my rules that I've created from backtesting. Then a 3 candle swing wick to 3 candle swing wick main range price can retrace, then expand through a minor swing within that range, creating a smaller 3 candle wick. So this is like if there's a huge range and then like there's a smaller range within the bigger range. You could take those OT setups as well. At a key time of day, 8:30 to 11. If you're trading Monday, you want to delineate your Friday's high, you want to skip Sunday. If price trades to and through the previous day's high or low, when it was our target, and this happened before New York session, even if it was a shallow run, it doesn't negate looking for a setup. A lot of these are said by ICT2. These are a lot of rules that he clarified in the OTE pattern recognition series. I also go over a lot of these rules in the first video of my own OTE pattern recognition series, and you can find that in the playlist on my YouTube channel. But it's okay if price trades a little past our 79% retracement level. That's fine as long as it don't stop us out. ICT says if price taps OTE level exactly at 11 and that previous day's high or low target hasn't been reached yet, then this is a valid entry, even if it's a second OTE setup in the session. If you're bullish, you attach the one level of the fib to the recent 3 candle swing low, drag it, vice versa. This is pretty much just how we frame it when we move it. Price doesn't retrace into OTE on a certain time frame, it's okay. This isn't our setup. If you drop through time frames to re-anchor point of A, it's unpredictable to know which 3 candle swing to re-anchor it on, so just allow price to expand and drag to new swing points. Okay. When calculating stop loss, you always add 5 extra pips to stop loss for spread. We know that. If you have a position running in a profit, stay with your 1 to 5 R to 1 to 1.5 R to 2.5 R target. Don't allow your brain to play mind games thinking price is going to turn back around. It can, and that's fine. Stick to your plan. Do not close early before that take profit is hit. We do not trade retracing wicks. It must be a clean expansion with retracing candles, not just wicks wicking into OTE. That's an ugly setup. Don't trade it. And then what that means is like pretty much just like an expansion. We want to see a clean retracement, not just an expansion, and then a couple of candles wick it, like just like a wick, and then expect it to go up. We don't trade that. We only trade where candles actually look good. And then even if the stop loss is huge, this is our new rule where price has to make a good, has to move a good amount of pips just to hit 1 to 1 R. It's still a good trade to take if everything is valid. Which we made this rule based off of our Euro JPY opportunity that, you know, took the loss here, reframed it. Too big of a stop loss for me to trade, but it worked out, and I would have, so 1%, down 2%. If we would have risked 2%, hit 1 to 1 R, we would have been break even. We would have been fine, you know. Sucks, but whenever you have situations like that in trading, go back and add it to your rules. You know, go and update your rules, make sure that everything is updated, make sure that, you know, and if you come across a situation like this in the future and you take it based off of your rules and it doesn't work out, realize why it didn't work out, then add that critique to that rule and be like, okay, so only take this if this is what looks good. Don't take it if this is what's going on, even though it looks good. You know what I mean? Oh well, that Indian accent. Did I do an Indian accent? Later, Peter. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on Monday. Profit booked Friday. Give me something different. I took trade in London, but I stopped out. But New York gave me a big move. Nice. Nice. GJ also 1-1 almost hit. Yeah, it's flying right now. It's flying. It's crazy. I never watched ICT's video on OTE. Just watched your video, and I didn't waste days of time. Yeah, you don't have to waste days of time if you just watch that one video. It's literally every single one of his videos into one. It's nice. I'm a little skeptical with EU. I closed early with small profit. Should not have entered because now that I have looked again, I'm not sure what it wants to do, and that's okay. That is okay. That's good. You know, as long as you close in profit. It's really confusing. Like with EU, I think it's bullish. It just grabbed liquidity, deeper retracement, and if you notice, it respected the hell out of the 7-9 level. So I think it could keep going long. If you notice right now, currently, this was our earlier OTE setup, and then right now, this one got stopped out. So if we drag it to here, this is the OTE setup that's playing out currently. But yeah, you guys, I mean, rough day. We took a 2% loss today. That's okay. 2 losses. We're done. It's totally fine. Am I hurt about it? Hell yeah. Just kidding. Nah, it's part of trading. We'll come back on Monday and we'll come back stronger. We'll do it good. But I'm going to end the stream here, you guys. I usually like to run for 1 more hour, but not much going on in my opinion, and I'm not going to be taking any more trades. Oh my gosh, GU, you bitch. Sorry, you guys, I don't mean to cuss. I'm just expressing how I feel. What a bitch, though. Oh my gosh. Just sloppy charts, you know? Everything worked out in our favor. It's just sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Euro JPY, sloppy. Worked out in our favor, right? GU, ugly. You know, I closed early just to prevent the news. Re-entered, but then seeing it coming down, and I was like, I'm over trading. I realized I'm over trading. Closed it. A little bit of loss. Whatever. Wasn't mad about it. But bro, the fact that these markets are moving. The cool part is we know. You know what I mean? We know that price moves in our it's moving in our direction, so it adds to my confidence, you know. I know what I'm doing. I see it moving in my favor. It's moving in my favor for a reason. It's not just doing it because it wants to freaking do it. It's doing it because obviously there's something there that we noticed before this is happening. You know, same with Euro JPY. We've seen that. We noticed it was happening. We framed it. It just didn't work out in our favor. Price does that a lot. It just won't work out in your favor. But then, like, as long as you got the direction right, like, you were right. You just didn't make money off of being right, if that makes sense. So the fact that you're right is good. Okay? Don't knock yourself. It's definitely, you know, the opportunities are always going to be there. So if I see a setup that has played out and I stay out until next session for that pair. Facts, facts. Haha, cussing. I know, I'm sorry, Sheila. I'm sorry. LOL, EJ caught it for 1-2. Nice, Steve. Congratulations on that win. Congratulations on that dub. Bye, buddy. See y'all next week. See you next week, Sheila. Thank you for watching. Sometimes we get in our own way. Yeah, we do. We definitely do that. Like with emotions, with, you know, constant thoughts rolling through our heads and constant, like, just having to rethink the setup, it can definitely throw you off your game, you know? So with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I do want to thank you all for sticking around watching. If you guys made money today, congrats to you. I'm happy for you. That's awesome. If you guys took losses like me, it's okay. We'll come back on Monday and we'll knock it out the park. We'll definitely come back with a stronger week next week. We have pretty much like 4.5% we have to hit before we get funded, and we got like 58 more days to do so. So we're just gonna take it smooth, easy. We'll get it out the way. But we will see you all next week. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Okay, be safe, take care, and we'll see you guys next time. Later, y'all.